Microsoft 365 Copilot users with the license, here are changes that are coming to your Copilot in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. All three apps, it doesn't matter. As you know, the Copilot icon is floating down there on the bottom. Now, though, you have what is called Smart Suggestions. If you grab your mouse and mouse over this, there are the Smart Suggestions. I'm in Word, but I'll get 3 in Excel, and the same, I'll get 3 in PowerPoint also. Another new feature, you can right click on the icon and you can now dock it. And this I do prefer because now it's over here on the far right instead of just floating down there. If you're in your file doing something and you want to get to the Copilot icon, the keyboard shortcut is Alt with the letter C for Copilot. And now the Copilot icon in the bottom right is active. So that is Alt and the letter C to make it active. It doesn't have to be docked to make it active. So if I come and just click on it, it's going to edit with Copilot. Close this. It's floating again. One more time, Alt+C. There are the smart suggestions. I have great news. This has been driving me a little crazy that it's down here. I actually preferred it back when it was on the Home tab. I'm going to right click it again. I don't have this yet, but a Microsoft blog post that I just recently saw, and I'll link to it when I do my blog post. Between dock and show welcome, there's going to be a third option. It's going to say dock to the ribbon. And then if you want to, after you put it back on the ribbon, you can go and right click on it and make it floating again. And they're calling this the Copilot Dynamic Action button is what it's going to be called. So that is coming soon. I think they may have gotten a lot of negative feedback about it floating around down here, probably also from me. So I appreciate your time. If you have any questions about M365 Copilot, please let me know. Have a wonderful day.